Got some feedback for us?
I've got a health issue coming up where I'm going to be put on the kidney transplant list. So that's kind of
Really?
way, yeah, it's a medical condition that's been kind
That
of
you have?
Yeah, it's kind of been unfolding over the last 4 or 5 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Because we're going to create a conditioned response in association with your breathing. So that each and every time you just normally inhale, you draw relaxation into the muscles of the body and stimulate a positive thought process in the mind. Why don't you explain to the class what you'd like help with here tonight?
Okay, well, I guess I wanted help with, specifically, I clench my jaw at night, and so my dentist, well, this dentist that really ripped me off said that there was no way that I could fix it. Everyone, once you have stress, there's no way to get rid of it. It's caused by stress. She has it. She uses a night guard, and so I thought there has to be a way. But underlying that, obviously, it's probably stress and anxiety.
Continue to lift and rise as the bicep muscle contracts with every exhale now, pulling the arm up and up. The hand will have a tendency to twist and turn in towards the head and the face. And when the fingers touch the face, Naomi, that's when you'll reach what we call the peak of your suggestibility, and they will press into the face. Okay? And then you'll have entered hypnotic sleep.